Hello guys, in this session we'll see how to fix ORA 01078 failure in processing system parameters. It's a common issue while we start up, we face this issue. We'll see how we get this error and how to fix this issue now in our lab session. Let's set to one of the instance name Oracle SID. Test database. I'm going to set with the test using export command. I'm going to set with the export. You can verify the current environment variable Oracle SID has been set to test. So I'm going to connect test database. I'm trying to connect with SQL Plus, and you can use your command to connect SQL Plus. What are the username I'm trying to use with sysuser. And let's start up this instance, the test instance. It's connected to the ideal instance. Now let's try startup. We have received ORA 01078 failure in processing system parameters now. So this is an error where we received when we try to start up our current instance which we connected. The environment variable where we set for Oracle SID in the command level. Now let's see how we fix or what the reason behind actually whether this test database exists or not first. Are we connecting to the right database or not? Ensure that the database exists, ensure that the database name is correct before we connect. From where we can verify this database exists and are these databases running currently on the database are being configured. And also you can see the other error LRM 00109 could not open your parameter file under user1 app oracle dbs init test.ora. It's trying to find the file parameter file init test.ora. So this file, why it couldn't open? Is the file exist? Where the file exists? What the location? Why the reason behind? We'll see now. Exit from your SQL. First check whether the test database exists from ORA tab file. You can read your ORA tab file using more command. You can see only the database prod. We can also think that might be the entry was not added while installation or creating your database with the DBCA. Without executing your root.sh, the entry will not be added. We may miss sometimes adding this entry, but still how we confirm whether the database exists or not. So with this we can confirm only one database where we have prod database from ORA tab, but still we need to confirm back whether we have a test database on this box or not. Under Oracle Home DBS location, we can find our parameter files. I can see only sp file prod.ora. There is no test file, either init parameter file or sp file. So there is no p file or sp file of test database, test instance with the name SID test. So we are trying to connect with the wrong database name. We have only one database on this box is prod. So ensure that connect to the right database name Oracle SID equal to prod. Then connect to your database and try to start up. One could be other reason you are trying to log into the wrong box. The wrong server name could be the one, might be you are trying to log in and trying to start the instance test. Verify the server name, verify the IP address before going to start, before going to work on particular server. Try to log into the right server, verify the host name. It's got mounted, the prod database. So the SP file, we confirm that only prod database we have, and from ORATab we have confirmed only prod database we have. There is no test instance on this. So we got that error due to wrong instance name we are trying to connect. We have seen with the right database we connected and we have started trying. And the files associated with this file are found under Oracle Home DBS with the SP file as well as your ORATab. You can see the SP file with the parameter, show parameter SP file where it is. We can verify the host name where we connected using host name as well. lab1.uniracglobal.com. Are this the one we are trying to connect for test instance to start? Verify. So you may get error. What is that? Aura 01078, failure in processing system parameters. The wrong SID made this error pop up. So verify using echo command which instance you are trying to connect. Then reconnect to the right instance by using export or .aura-env as well as. You can use .even.aura-env. Also you can verify from your bash file the default that instance was configured here with the Oracle SID parameter. It's a prod. Such a way we can verify. Twice verify before logging to the box which IP you are trying to connect. Otherwise it will impact your production database. See, you are trying to start up a test instance on your production database, which I have shown you. There is no test instance. Okay guys, fine, we have done with fixing the issue. Thank you guys.